Hi everyone, I usually don't do these videos like at all, but today we're going to be doing some cute little I don't want to say all fidgets, but some cute little things. So we're gonna start with this really cute diary, and we unzip her. This little part right here, and there are some super cute little. I dropped it. Now it's backwards. Now Rosie's barking. It's a super cute little puppy, and it's blue, and it's like squishy, but it's like soft. It's like a miniature stuffed animal, but it's like squishy. The only thing that I don't like about these is that they have this nice crust line here that's not soft. So it kind of hurts. But, it's so squishy. It's so nice. And so there's this one. There's a purple, it's blue dog. There's a purple cat. A cute pink, oof. Oh God, no. A cute pink bunny. There is a really cute neon cat again, I believe. And there's a adorable, this might just be my favorite, little fox. And they're all super squishy. Really nice. So next, we have a cute little, again, it's like a stuffed animal plush. And it's from TY. Nina. It's really squishy. And super nice, really squishy and nice. So next we have a bit of dried up, some dried up slime from Nicole Jacqueline. And hold on, set the camera down real quick. And her slimes are really nice. So I kind of let this dry out for a little while. Oh, there's a hair. But it actually made it, it's super sticky. Actually made it kind of more stress relieving. And it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice. It's kind of dried up, so it doesn't stick too much. And this is really good. Let's see, what other fidget things do I have? Let's see, my room is kind of being torn apart here. Of course, my cousins ripped this up, but this is a giant smelling banana. His name is Peachy Banana, and that's because he smells like peaches. He smells like peaches. And I want him off of a school fair. He's still so nice to squish though. It's so nice. Now if we look over on my nightstand, you can see a couple little things over there that we can get. I need to set guys down real quick. These things are so really cute. And if you guys don't know, act like people. People are obsessed with mochis. And I have so many mochis that I had for my birthday party one time. It's so much. And I'm gonna get a couple more things that I thought were really cute for some nice fidget. or like squishy or something. And just grab this cutesy little guy. And this one. I actually have a lot of homemade ones that we don't go and use too much. I also have a homemade stress ball that I don't use like almost at all anymore. So I'm not going to be bringing that out. Sorry, it just doesn't seem like what. That was disgusting. But I'm not even going to bring the stress ball out. Right now it's just, yeah, I don't want to bring it out too much. So these are all of my little things. And you might be like questioning why I have beauty blenders out. If you didn't know, beauty blenders are actually really good for squish. This one not in particular. Let's see if I can open this a bit more. This one, it's so good for squish. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's so nice. Okay, moving on to the next thing. Gotta close this up. Moving on to the next one is a little bunny mochi. Don't remember good. Here we go. It's a little bunny mochi. You know, like if you don't know mochis, they like stick, they don't stick. They have this little divot so they can kind of like, you see my arm here? They kind of stick to you. So, and they're like super squishy. They're like the next best thing from slime. Next, we have a really cute little hustle bead chain thing. And it's just really nice to feel between your fingers. This is also home DIY. And it's really nice. Next we have a little beanie, tiny beanie elephant, and it's super nice because it has the beans on the bottom, some hair on it. It's super nice because there's beans on the bottom, so when you squeeze into it, it's a nice like bean texture. And then I think the last one I have in my room is a nice poppet. I have a bunch of poppets, just not in my room currently. And it's a nice little poppet. Wait, let me get the good side of the pop. But it's a nice little poppet. It's a Santa rainbow one that I got at a little breakfast with Santa thing. And it's actually real nice. It's like, it works super well. There's not a downside. Like, I love this poppet so much. Like, I love this so much. It's so nice. There's a good side. I feel like all poppets kind of have like a good side and a bad side. This is the good side for me. So nice. Anyway, these are all my fidgets that I have in my room. I probably have so many more in this room. I mean, even probably like on my frog enclosure. Like, even those tic-tac-toe things are really good for in between your hands. Like, everything really is a nice little fidget in my room. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.